What's the meaning of Brighton Pavilion? Brighton Pavilion. Brighton Pavilion.
Brighton Pavilion. Brighton Pavilion. Brighton Pavilion is a historic royal residence located in Brighton, England. Originally built in the late 18th century as a seaside retreat for King George IV, the distinctive building boasts a unique blend of Indian and Chinese architectural styles with opulent interior design. Today, it serves as a major tourist attraction and cultural landmark, housing exhibitions, events, and collections related to the city's history and heritage. It offers visitors a glimpse into the life of British royalty in the past and the chance to explore the extravagant architecture and decor of this iconic landmark.